Imagine planting your vegetables once and harvesting them year after year without replanting. Perennial vegetables are nature's gift to every gardener, sustainable, low maintenance, and endlessly rewarding. In this video, we'll explore 12 amazing perennial vegetables that grow back every season, giving you fresh, homegrown food for life. Most vegetables need replanting every season, but perennials come back year after year, saving you time, effort, and money. Their deep root systems make them naturally drought-tolerant, pulling nutrients from deep within the soil to create richer, more flavorful harvests. They also help the environment, improving soil health, supporting pollinators, and reducing garden waste. If you're dreaming of a self-reliant, eco-friendly garden, perennial vegetables are the perfect start. First on our list, the king of perennial vegetables, asparagus. Once established, it can keep producing delicious spears for 15 to 20 years straight. It's a slow starter. You'll need a little patience, as the first big harvest comes in the third year. But after that, it rewards you every spring with tender, flavorful shoots, one of the earliest vegetables to appear after winter. Asparagus loves full sun and well-drained soil. To keep it healthy, add compost in spring and mulch in winter. This protects the roots and fuels strong growth for the next season. Next up, the vibrant red beauty of the garden, rhubarb. Known for its tangy, refreshing flavor, rhubarb turns simple pies and jams into something truly special. Its colorful stalks make it a showpiece in any garden, a plant that's both beautiful and productive. But remember, only the stalks are edible. The leaves are toxic, so always trim and discard them safely. Rhubarb thrives best in cool climates and rich, moist soil, returning year after year with little care. It's one of those plants that feeds your table and decorates your garden at the same time. Meet the fascinating Egyptian walking onion, a perennial that practically plants itself. Its top bulbs bend down and root into the soil, creating new plants, hence the name walking onion. The flavor sits somewhere between regular onions and scallions, making it perfect for soups, salads, or garnishes. You can harvest the bulbs or the greens anytime, giving you versatile, continuous harvests year after year. It's hardy, low maintenance, and a fun addition to any home garden. Next on our list is kale, but not just any kale, the perennial or tree kale varieties that grow continuously in mild climates. Unlike annual kale, these robust plants provide fresh, nutrient-rich leaves all year round, packed with vitamins A, C, K, and calcium. Regular pruning encourages new shoots, ensuring a steady harvest. Whether in smoothies, salads, or stir-fries, perennial kale is a gardener's dream for a healthy, sustainable harvest. Meet the Jerusalem artichoke, also known as sunchoke, a perennial tuber with a deliciously nutty, earthy flavor. These hardy plants thrive in most soils and can produce a bountiful harvest with minimal care. But a word of caution, they can spread aggressively, so it's best to grow them in raised beds or contained areas. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups. Sunchokes are as versatile as they are reliable. Next up is sorrel, a perennial leafy green with tangy, lemony-flavored leaves, perfect for soups, salads, and sauces. Sorrel grows vigorously, appearing early in spring and continuing late into fall, giving you a long season of harvests. For continuous production, harvest the outer leaves regularly, leaving the center intact so the plant can keep producing. It's an easy, low-maintenance green that adds both flavor and color to your garden and your plate. Next on our list are garlic chives, a perennial herb with a mild garlic flavor that's perfect for cooking, salads, and garnishing dishes. Beyond their culinary use, they produce delicate white flowers that attract bees and other pollinators, making them a valuable addition to any garden. To keep your garlic chives productive year after year, cut the flowers before they set seed. This encourages fresh leaf growth and extends the plant's life. They're hardy, low maintenance, and a beautiful, practical addition to your perennial garden. Next is Good King Henry, an ancient perennial green that was once a staple in cottage gardens. Its spinach-like leaves and tender shoots are perfect for sautéing, soups, or fresh salads. This hardy plant prefers rich, moist soil and partial shade, making it ideal for shaded garden corners. Once established, Good King Henry comes back year after year, providing a reliable, nutritious harvest. Meet sea kale, a robust coastal perennial with thick, nutritious leaves and edible flower buds that make a striking addition to your garden. It tolerates salty soils and strong coastal winds, making it perfect for seaside or challenging garden conditions. Historically, sea kale was considered a Victorian delicacy, prized for its tender shoots and mild flavor. Planted along garden edges or raised beds and enjoy edible greens and unique flower buds year after year. Next up is the Chinese artichoke, also known as crow's nez, a small, crunchy tuber with a mild, nutty flavor that adds texture to many dishes. These tubers grow in clusters underground, making them a fun and rewarding plant to dig up at harvest time. They're perfect for stir-fries, pickles, or roasting, and once planted, they'll continue to produce year after year with minimal care. Finally, let's talk about perennial spinach, like New Zealand spinach, a hardy green that thrives in hot summer months when regular spinach struggles. Its leaves are packed with nutrients, perfect for salads, sautés, or smoothies. Once planted, it comes back year after year, giving you a reliable, low-maintenance harvest through the warm season. Simply pick the outer leaves to encourage new growth, and your garden will keep producing for years to come. Finally, we have the artichoke, whether globe or Jerusalem varieties, a plant that's as stunning in the garden as it is on your plate. These hardy perennials thrive in mild climates and return year after year with minimal care. Harvest the edible hearts or enjoy the shoots in cooking. For best results, cut back in winter and treat them as a heavy feeder by adding compost each year. Artichokes combine beauty and flavor, making them a must-have perennial for your garden. To get the most out of your perennial vegetables, proper care is key. Mulch heavily in fall to protect roots from cold, and refresh compost in spring to feed your plants. Water deeply but infrequently. This encourages strong root systems. Every few years, divide plants like asparagus or Welsh onions to keep them productive and vigorous. And remember, avoid disturbing the soil too often. Perennial roots need stability to thrive. With these simple practices, your garden can produce fresh vegetables year after year with minimal effort. To make the most of your perennial vegetables, consider designing a layered food bed. Combine your perennials with herbs and pollinator-friendly plants to boost garden health and productivity. Use layers for maximum efficiency. Tall plants like asparagus, medium-height crops like kale or rhubarb, and ground cover plants like chives or sorrel. These beds are perfect for backyard edges, raised beds, or even mini food forests, creating a beautiful, functional space that feeds both people and pollinators. With thoughtful design, your garden becomes a year-round oasis of food, flowers, and life. These 12 perennial vegetables are gifts that keep on giving. Plant them once, and they'll feed your family for years to come. Start small, care with love, and watch your own self-sustaining food garden thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And be sure to check out our next video, 10 edible plants you can grow indoors year-round.